Hello, everyone. Welcome to this week's Investment Trends, where we discuss the latest news in the stock market and the economy. So for this week, it looks like all three major indexes are headed for a weekly gain. The S&P 500 is up about 0.6%, the Dow is up about 0.7%, and the Nasdaq is up about 1.2%. On Friday morning, we received some good news when a delayed inflation report, the PCE report, came out and stated that inflation is below expectations. So it came in at 2.8%, slightly below the expected 2.9%. This is giving investors a lot of hope that we will see another interest rate happen next Wednesday at the Federal Reserve meeting. Economists are now pricing in about an 87% chance that we could see an interest rate cut, which would lower the federal funds rate. Right now, the federal funds rate is currently around 3.75 to 4%. Also in the news this week, where we are seeing the major indexes as they've been positive for about 8 of the last 9 days, and we are approaching a new record high for the Nasdaq. A lot of this is continued to be fueled by AI news, chips, and the demand that we are seeing for a lot of these companies on their AI products. Also in the news this week, as of Friday morning, Netflix announced a potential merger with Warner Brothers Discovery. So it sounds like they have agreed to terms to acquire that in 2026. However, there are several members of the Trump administration that are very skeptical of the deal, hinting at they may strike this down and not allow this merger to take place. So as we head into the weekend, again, good to see stocks have rebounded from an earlier hiccup in late November and early December, as we are now once again approaching new record highs. That's all I've got for this week. If there's a stock or a certain sector that you're following, please leave a comment below.